everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've just arrived in my hostel in Kochi. I've just got a flight from Mumbai to Kochi, and I've just checked, well, I didn't check into my hostel. It's about 8:30 in the morning now, and I've just dropped my bags there at the hostel. Shreya is actually going to meet me tomorrow because she had to do a work thing today, so I'm on my own for the day. I've had about 2 hours sleep. I've booked myself a private room as well instead of staying in a 6-bed dorm because I just couldn't be bothered having to stay in a dorm now because I'm really tired and I just want to have my own space. And just going down this cute little lane now. Here's the cafe. So this place has lots of vegan options as well. Probably half the menu's vegan. Lots of healthy options as well. I think they're saying here on their little blurb that they're not a fancy cafe. They want to keep things clean and simple. Got my Turkish eggs. Looks really good, but it's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. Like, I feel like I'm gonna need more food. Like, this bowl probably looks a lot bigger on the camera, but it's actually quite a small bowl. So we've got some brown bread over here and some Turkish eggs. It looks good. Just waiting on my coffee now. Oh my god, it's fucking spicy. So spicy. It's got chili flakes in it. Thank you. Rice coffees are really good here. I haven't really been thinking about having coffee, and then Shreya was like, last night she was like, get nice coffee, the like Mumbai is famous for iced coffees, and I was like, oh my god, I love iced coffee. So I had it last night and it was really good in Mumbai. So now I'm like, yes, iced coffee. So I've just met this guy who owns this shop and we're having the best chat ever. He's so nice. He's just gonna go get me a ginger tea from Kashi Cafe. I'm just vlogging you. I make YouTube videos, by the way.
Well, sell me somewhere.
I'm just showing your shop. Here we go. You have to come here and buy everything, everyone. Do you want to say hi, both of you?
Hi. Hi.
We've got some biryani for lunch. I'm still here.
Biryani party.
Biryani party.
Bye.
What time did I walk into your shop?
We might find the time.
It was 10:30, and I've gone into his other shop now, and it's 1:30, and then we're having lunch. Still here.
See how annoying I am. I'm the most annoying person you can
No,
find
you're
in the
not.
hotel.
No, you're not. And he's showing.
So I'm not letting her go from me.
I've got nowhere else to be. I'm back at my room now, and I've actually been here for a few hours. I just had a few hours rest because I was with that guy at his shop for about 4 hours, just having a really good time talking to him, buying some jewelry off him. We had lunch together and stuff, and then after a while I was like, I'm really tired, I'm gonna go for a rest. He's like, oh, we should go to my other shop in Jewtown, and that's what we're gonna go do now, because I'm obviously really interested in seeing his other shops as well, because he sells pashminas and jewelry and all sorts of things. Just arrived at the Dutch Palace. We don't know anything about it. That looks nice. Not that I go in there.
I wouldn't be going in there. Too much show.
Looks peaceful over there. Okay, so we're in Umer's other shop on Jew Street.
Yes.
Jew Street or Jewtown?
Yes, and she enjoyed the street so much she came running back.
Yeah, went to the synagogue, and as you walk down Jew Street, all the men try and get you into their shops. Except for Umer, he's really good. Come into his shop. I'll put the name of the shop on the video now, so you can come in here. And I bought lots of stuff. Yeah, no. I bought some pillowcases and some earrings and a toe ring for Lily.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, that's them. Oh, pretty.
She's killing a innocent coconut, and then she's drinking its blood.
It's blood. Refreshing.
I need this. I'm really thirsty.
So I'm back in my room now. I had a really nice dinner. I went to a seafood restaurant and I got some fish wrapped in a banana leaf, masala fish. I can't really remember the full name, but I'll put it on the screen. I got some green mango prawn curry, and then I also got some Kerala rice and an appam, which is, they're kind of like egg hoppers. So it was really nice and filling, and I was really looking forward to having some seafood here whilst I was in Kerala, and I was really hungry, so it really did fill me up, and the fish was really good. It was 10 quid for all that stuff. and that is quite expensive for India, and like probably I could have gotten half the amount of stuff. Like I did get quite a lot, but still quite good value for money for really nice seafood. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, because I feel like it's been a little bit all over the place because I haven't really done much today. Like I met Umer, so I was sitting there for hours chatting in his shop, and thank you to Umer for being like an amazing person, a really great friend, a great local guide. It's really great just meeting people like that. I feel like those sort of things happen a lot more when you're on your own, because you only have yourself to worry about, and like that person sees that you're on your own and they're more inclined to talk to you. So it's just really great being able to meet all these people and locals or other travelers when you're abroad, and it makes it such a better experience, or like a different experience when you're traveling. So yeah, in conclusion, I think I've rambled on way too much. I've been filming for about 3 minutes. In conclusion, I've had a really great time in Kochi. I will be going to Munnar tomorrow, so stay tuned for more videos of India, and I'll see you guys soon.